biggest sides in Ghana, Highlights-Asante and Asante Kotoko. This is the Super Clash for the 2025-26 season here at the Babayara Sports Stadium. If you just join us, pleasant welcome once again. My name is Nana Dakwa Jesse, together with Josiah Okokwe, where your commentators for this big one here in Kumasi.
Good afternoon, Nana Dakwa Jesse. What a day we have, what an atmosphere we have here at the Babayara Sports Stadium. Electric, breathtaking, and we're hoping that after 90 minutes, the story will definitely be historic.
It's been responsibility on the shoulders of Prince Owusu. He's Kotoko's interim coach following the exit of Abdul Karim Zito. He was one of Zito's assistants together with Hamza Obin, and today he's got the responsibility. There we go. Game underway here at the Babayara Stadium. Is Kotoko who gets us going with Samba O'Neil launching a long one into Highlights-Asante territory. First goal kick. Hussein. Here is Martin Kakari. Very good on the ball, tries to switch to Wayo. Good touch from Wayo. Hamza Isa for Highlights-Asante. Upon front, it threads one to Wayo. Kotoko takes possession. Here is Jehu. Good movement from Jehu. That's what to hang on. Lovely run. It's a fair challenge from Hussein. Highlights-Asante will take possession. For Kotoko in the middle, tries to squeeze one for Amwa. Here comes Jehu, but the first time pass doesn't go. He's shoved off the ball. It's a clean challenge.
It was one of the aspects of the game we should be expecting this up.
Saka Dauda, good turn. Aiming at Jehu. Lord Amwa makes the run, checks onto the right side, tries to swing in across. Flicked away by Amankwa. Here is Dogo Yakubu. Gets the throw in from the boot of Abdul Karim. To Afrani. Switches to Kakari again down the right. He's got space, but he's got a Sedu to confront. Here is Kakari. Tries to cut in, shoots, and it's straight to Camara. Esibe gives away the ball to Amwa, and it's driving straight to Asari. Albert Amwa. First attempted goal from the Kotoko striker.
That's why they will have to keep an eye on him. Albert Amwa, so mobile, spontaneous at that point.
Kakari is a lovely ball to Hamza Isa. As Hussein picked up, and here comes Saka Dauda. Checks onto the 18-yard box with his left foot, but there's nobody in right to connect for Kotoko as Highlights-Asante tries to turn defense into attack. Lord Amwa curtails the movement of Wayo and steps forward.
His positioning let him down at that point. Just didn't know where and what he was doing at that point. And that is a lovely goal.
Kotoko tries to respond. Here is Dogo, but there's a foul against Dogo.
His positioning let him down at that point. Just didn't know where and what he was doing at that point. And that is a lovely goal.
Kotoko tries to respond. Here is Dogo, but there's a foul against Dogo. Abdul Karim is late for it as Dogo takes possession for Kotoko. Sends one to Jehu. That ball is meant for Saka Dauda, but he ends up with Benjamin Asari.
I think that was a hit.
Asiedu swings one in. Header comes in from Ensu. Here is Asiedu again on his weaker right foot and it's straight to Asari. Camara gives the ball away to Maoli Wayo. Chance for Azabok to get a second, but Wayo flops the opportunity.
It was a golden chance to put his side 2 up.
Perfect gift handed Wayo. New baby. After the wife had delivered, had to be given some rest. An emotional lead by Didi Dramani. It's a red card for Emmanuel Mankwa. Early shower for
himself sent off, but then also definitely could cost his team. Let's spend more time in this one. 62 minutes plus added on time. When
the talking point, who sends a long one aiming at Albertmissing with a commanding header away for the Phobians. Back to Joe in the middle for Kotoko. Kotoko's most lively player so far. Here's Dogo. Dogo drives one and it goes just over the bar. Lord Amwa, good movement from the Kotoko right back. Tries to set up Jehu, but the pass didn't get to him. Ball is cleared by Adams Badu in the middle for Asante Kotoko. He's become a mainstay in that Kotoko midfield since joining from Nations. The likes of Hilary Adabo now have to struggle for places. Good drive from Badu, but this can't beat her. That sums it up for the first half of the Super Clash, the much anticipated. Second half, Baba Yara Stadium. Esiedu. Morifin Donzoyo. A lot of tension in that Kotoko 18-yard box as Amwa readies to deliver. Lord Amwa bends one, is away by the goal scorer. Damo shows too much of the ball to the Phobians and they've lost possession. Here is Wayo to Kakari, lovely skill. Here is Kakari. Wayo just can't sort out his foot together. Here is George Paku. Kakari wants to shoot. And it's a disappointment. Albert Amwa is a foul brought down by AC. It's a poor ball. He's given away possession. And Kakari sees Camara way off his line, but he's not beating Camara.
That was an audacious attempt from...
Good play by Amwa, sprinting down the right, waves in a cross. Morifin Donzo in a game of high stakes. A chance for Kotoko. Albert Amwa, and it goes just over the top. Albert Amwa delivers. He's moved to the right side and allowed Donzo to occupy the middle position of the attack. Esiedu's delivery stopped by Esibe. Chance for Kotoko. Asare. Magical must happen because Azovok are not looking back. Esiedu goes down. There's a big shout for a penalty, but watch, he might one day equalize maybe. Here is Donzo with a cross. It was straight to Asare. It was poorly delivered. Duku has a walk, chance for a second. Good save from Camara to deny the foul. Picks up Kwame Opoku. Seth Kojose. Cross comes in, intercepted by Abdul Karim, grabbed by Asare. Pass by 3-0 at the down spark in Bibiani. Here is Saka Dauda. No foul. Now, Kwame Opoku. Again, is Mohamed at this point. Tense moments for both sides. Here is Samzata. It's a poor ball from the central defender. Chase the equalizer at this point. Overly hit by Seth Kojose.
So, erase that minus code deficits for the first time in a long time.
O'Neill. Saka Dauda, he sees the movement of Amwa down the right side. Here is Amwa, swings in across, and Ali heads it out as a comment. Their 39th victory in the Super Clash. But it looks like it might be a Phobian night. Here is Saka Dauda. There's a foul against Saka Dauda for a deliberate foul. And a yellow. Donzo stopped. Hamzata gives the ball away to Rafael Amponsa has the ball in the Kotoko area, but Amponsa gives it away. Here is Lord Amwa. 2 more minutes for Kotoko to get that equalizer. Here is Albert Amwa. He sees the movement of Donzo. Here is Morifin Donzo for Asante Kotoko. He sends in a cross. Chance for Kotoko. And it's cleared away by Ali. Referee whistles there as Esiedu sends the long ball in. Asari collects it calmly. And this should be it. He's taking another look at his watch. It is finished. Hatzabok